Sir.
So, just you have written the four sentences. I did go, I got to go, and I had a holiday to London last month, and I had a holiday to London last year. Right? So two sentences explain here. I did go there means emphatic. You emphasize that I did go there. I did eat pizza. Emphasize. What do you do there? Emphasize. Okay? In the you already done that. In the you understood very well. Okay? Next is I got to go. I got to go, what do you mean? The special occasions. Suppose school trip, university, they also means let's take students in for trip, small trip, I'm saying. So when you see your family, Mom, I got to go for my college trip. I got to go on college trip. Special. Okay, you got to. It's compulsory. By you, it's compulsory that. Mom, I got to go. If you say I'm to go, okay, I'm to go for college. It means your choice. You want to go or not. But you mention that I got to go, Mom. Okay, you say, Mom, I got to go on college trip. It's compulsory for certain special occasions, like college trip, marriage, wedding party, whatever that, something compulsory by you also. So got to go means compulsory. Like instead of the have to, what we say? Have to. I have to go on college trip. I got to go on college trip. So these compulsory things that we use this expression, I got to go. British expression. What is this? British expression. So we have to use it. Concept clear, guys? Crystal clear? I did go there and I got to go there. Okay? That goes in the understood very well. And certain occasions and all we use. And certain things that I got to go. And I did go that actually. Clear? Now these two very important things that is. I had a holiday to London last month. And I had a holiday to London last year. Wow, what a sentence, a beautiful sentence. The beauty of grammar English too. Let me explain to you on that one. This one, the past indefinite tense. Which tense it is? Past. Write in the bracket, please. The past indefinite tense. And this tense, write down the bracket, past perfect tense. Please write down in the bracket. Okay, first tense is past indefinite. And second is past perfect tense. In the bracket, write down, guys. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Good. I will loud and clear. Have you done, guys? Have you done?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes, no? Okay, that's fine. Okay, great. Appreciate you. So, I had a holiday to London last month. Past. Past. You had a holiday to London last month. If you say I had a holiday to London last year, this thing happened before this thing. Okay? First this thing happened and then this thing happened. Just try to understand. If you say I had a holiday last year and then last month. Last month means Feb and last year means 2004. I mean last year, 2024. Right? So different understood that. This thing happened is last month, means you've been there. I mean, because this thing actually just last month happened, February. And this thing happened once in the past. Yes, you did it, 100% that. Okay? So first happened this thing, and then this thing. Right? So just try to understand what I'm saying. That did you go at London? Well, yeah, I went, but I lost. I went, I mean, you went there, or we say your expression, have you been to London? Yes, I've been to London. Your own experience. Have you been to London? Yeah, I've been there. Right? Now, did you go to London? Well, did you go to London? Yes, I went, but I lost because I hadn't been there before. When you first time went over there, you lost because you first time. But this thing, it happened earlier before this thing. Okay, so that means that I had a holiday to London last month, just last month, and this thing happened first, and this thing happened later. First this, and this happened later. That is means I had a holiday to London last year, and I had a holiday to London last month. Okay, guys, thank you very much.